Are you looking for gorgeous fabric? You've heard about Mood in New York, but did you know there's a Mood in Los Angeles? I'll take you on a tour. Coming up. Hey, Shawnelle here, bringing you weekly videos to help you get better and better with your fashion sewing and be more creative too. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. So if you're a fabric shopper, you may know of Mood in New York. If you watch Project Runway, you've seen the contestants all in the store there. That's where they buy their fabrics. And it's a compact store. It's actually on the 3rd level of a big building in New York City in the fashion district. And it's pretty compact, as everything is in New York, I guess. It's beautiful. It's got it's all sectioned out by prints and different silks and taffetas, all that kind of stuff. But there is a bigger Mood store in Los Angeles. Same company, different dog mascot too, because I think they got Swatch in New York and Oscar in LA. So this store is beautiful. It's really well laid out. It's light. It's you got room to move in there. Beautiful fabrics on the walls, just top-notch fabrics in the hundreds of dollars of yards, versus down to just muslin. So they have everything. They've got a huge selection of leathers. Wow, you could be in there for hours. And then they also have a huge notions department, wonderful books. I love this store. So I was in LA a few months ago visiting my friends there, and I thought I would take you on a tour of Mood fabric in LA and get your notebook out. Let's go. Arrived at Mood Fabrics, Pico in Burlington. About to go in, check it out. Hey there, in front of Mood Fabrics, gonna go in and show you what it looks like inside. This is the Los Angeles Mood Fabrics. They have a little bit more property over here than the New York one. So let me show you what it looks like inside. So this is how the store looks. It's really beautifully organized. You got all the zippers, tons of trims here, more notions. This is their cash register. Beautiful fabrics. Bridal looks like an evening gown. And then it goes all into colors. So beautiful. Lots of bolts of fabrics. More bolts over here. Really, whatever you would ever need is, there's just no place like this. Although I love international silks and wools too. I'm going to take you over to F&S fabrics too. Look at this, really bolts and bolts of fabrics. And I love them because they're color coordinated. You got your blues, and your lavenders, all kinds of different, what is that, a piqué? Some sort. It's very simple fabric. I'm going to have to stock up on some Kona cottons if I can find here. Multiple, it's very, just, I don't know, fun to shop this way. It's like when we've got some plaids in here. See the signs as animal prints, seersuckers in there, plaids. They really organize this well. The store goes on and on. Some silk prints, a la 1980s. Very well organized. Another view from the other end. Bolts. Beautiful. What can we do with that? Wow. More. Let's go through here. See what's on the other end of this. I know they had a school, Mood University. I wonder if they're doing anything in here. Oh, look at this. some gowns and work going on here. Oh, this was where their Mood University was. I guess they're not doing much in here right now. Must have been a COVID thing. And we have some sketching supplies. More fabrics, furs. Wow. Customer. What do we have here? Nice. Sustainable fabrics. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. This one is $14 a yard. You've got your price tags on the ends, which is really nice. You're shopping downtown. The prices are on how well you dress. Beautiful basic white. Some prints. Ooh, look at that. Wow. What are those? Vinyls? I don't know what to do with those. Oh gosh, I also love all their furs and leathers and all.
Come on, Oscar. Let's have lunch.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
Good.
This is Oscar. Hey, Oscar.
Oscar's hungry.
Oscar's hungry?
He's starving.
He's starving? He's the mascot?
Okay?
Yeah, I'm doing a video to show my YouTube followers your store.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
Oh, cool.
a lot of people don't know there's a Mood in Los Angeles,
Oh,
right?
definitely Mood
They
Los Angeles.
just think it's New York, and
Oh, no.
we need to let them know. But yeah, I'm just kind of showing that, and then I'm going to do some shopping. Some cottons. Here, and here's look at rows and rows of leather. Oh my gosh. Pieces here in different textures. Suedes. This is thin and beautiful. Wow. Pricing's a little different on these. They sell them by the foot and then pelts. So if you need leather, this is really the one-stop shopping. It's every color available. Oh my gosh, even look at this. Wow. I mean, you really need to just come in here and look through and then go home and gather your ideas together. So that is the store. I'm going to go back through to the front and look at the zippers. Need a zipper? There you go. I bought some of these bags. I love them. And then we have this more exclusive section. We'll go this way. For bridal, a lot of laces. Look at all the trims we have. And then beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So if I started doing evening gowns again, this is, I'd be shopping a lot. Wow. I mean, let's look at so we're looking at $225 a yard for this one. So there are fabrics out there that do cost pretty penny. So you want to be able to know how to sew well before you tackle these. This is, let's say this one's $250 a yard. Look at that beautiful technique on that. And then, wow. Walls. I was in here a few years ago and this has really changed. They had these displayed a little differently and this is so much nicer. Lots of beadwork, all hand beaded. There you go. And then of course there's more bolts. We can just pull this way. Velvet ribbons. Wow. I wish I had something in mind to work on right now. This is worth just coming to Los Angeles just for this. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And look at the price before. $2.75 a yard. Actually, Mama, put that right there. It's a panel or border print. And hand beaded right here. Wow, colorful. Yeah, more fabric. You want to know? Look at this. Wow, this is fun. Oh my gosh, look at this. Beautiful gown. Wow. Oh, look at these. Wow. All right, that's a tour of Nude in Los Angeles. Worth a trip. All just for fabric. I was just up in Big Bear and found this really cool panel with a bear on it, because Big Bear. And I had it sent home with my husband with some fabric I bought already, and now I need it because I need to match the blues, and I have all these blues to choose from, and oh no, I don't even have a clue what I'm going to do a splice skirt, but I think I found the blue I want. I think it's this blue, but so if it isn't, then I just have to use it on something else. I was actually looking at this one too, but look how different the two blues are. One's kind of a greeny and one's a blue, so I'm going to take my chance on this one, and if not, I will mix it with something else. But there's I knew that was going to happen. If I took that panel home, I would need it. If I had it sent home, I would need it. So I'm just gonna gamble it. What you gonna do? Because there are just so many shades of blue in here. There's like blue greens, there's sky blues, there's gray blues, there's just, you know, you think you got it until then you look at another one and then you don't. So, wish me luck. I chose the right blue. I have my bear skirt finished. Ta-da! This is the blue. And this was what I was trying to match. I had many different blues in here, like blue grays and the navy and the browns, and trying to make it look like that. I liked it because it popped the blue out and made it nice and brighter, and just accented my bear really well. So that was kind of tough to find a blue, looking at so many blues there and not having what to reference on, just thinking about it. Next time I will take a picture of anything that I know I'm going to need later. I didn't know I was going to go fabric shopping when I was in LA, so that was a success. Then I had gone out of the store and I was coming back in, and I was trying really hard to keep my blinders on. Focus. But okay, I just came back into the store. I had to go get my business card, and I was walking by the silk prints, and I found this. It's $25 a yard, and it's just beautiful. I love this, like a city going on in here, and I love city scenes, as you say. I think it's New York City. I'm not really sure, but I can see some splicing going on here. I think I'm going to have to get it. I don't quite know what to do with it, but I'm seeing something. All right, 1 yard. See what let's be a challenge. Well, I ended up with 2 beautiful yards of this. It's a printed silk charmeuse, the city scene. Oh, I just love it. If only you could feel it. So I've been thinking, I don't know quite what to make with this. It's hard to cut up a print because you don't want to cut into it. And then I was at my local Joann's here in North Carolina, and I found this fabric, or it's tulle. I don't think I've ever worn tulle, but I'm going to now because I just love this. And look how it goes with this print. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I'm a little stumped on the design, what I want to do with this, because you can't really cut tulle up too much because the seams, especially when it has the pearls in it. So, and then again, you can't cut the prints up too much. But with this over it, the print's not going to pop out, or the seams won't pop out as much. So, still thinking of ideas. If you have any ideas, I'd love to hear it. Leave them in the comments below. And hopefully, I'll get a video out about this, the making of this skirt soon. And I'll be sure to let you know. All right, leaving Mood. Got my bag and off to another fabric store. Also, if you'd like to see the making of the bear skirt, I will post the video to the end of this video, and you can just take a look at the makings of the bear skirt. Also, I had bought the bird panel at the same store in Big Bear and made this skirt also. I believe I have a video out on that one. I have a playlist called Queen of Skirts where I post all my skirt videos. You can take a look there. And I hope you make it to LA to go visit Mood in Los Angeles on Pico Boulevard. Bring some notes, make sure you have time, bring some money, because you're gonna want it all. I'll see you in the next video.